In this video I'm going to show you guys the one of the small project and Flutter development. If you would like to do it, then I have created one BMI calculator, and this one is my main screen. Before going to directly to the code, let's run the program so you guys can see it by yourself. Okay, I have this one. This one is a very nice BMI calculator. In case if we give it any weight, for example 70, or maybe, okay, what's this is reinstalling. If we give it a weight of 80 and height 180, height in the inch maybe 70 or more or less, and we press on the calculate button. As you can see, the progress bar is happening and it will give you immediately the result. So I have used it here two things. One is a splash screen. Whenever I'm running the program, first I have to see the splash screen, and then it gets redirect to my home page, which is nothing but main page. In the main page I have did the designing. I took through 3 text fields. One is for text editing, weight, for the weight, and for the height, and for the inch. So we have this text fields and very simple design, and the distance between text fields, and the splash screens we have here. What we have did, we just using the health icon. Whenever this application is run for the first time, then it has to show the an icon with the text stay healthy. In case if I run this once again, then you will see the result better. We have to wait until the running process done, so we will be able to see. Okay, as we can see now, we have an icon, a health icon, and with the text. If you would like to increase the splash screen timing, then you can just simply edit this one. I just put 2 seconds. You guys can make it, for example, 5, but it's better, it's a good suggestion to let it be in the 2 seconds, because if you put 5 seconds, then it will remind for the long time. But for the understanding purpose, I'm just putting 5 seconds here. You guys will see the splash screen will appear for the 5 seconds, and then after that we will go to the main page. Okay, see, we have a icon. Then okay, have you seen that the time was a little bit longer compared to this one, so I keep it as it is and I run it. Okay guys, that's all for this video, and I will be attaching the link in the first comment so you guys can access this project. Thank you guys for watching.